Ang fitness trainers or instructors, delivery riders of an online selling platform considered regular employees. Doon sa isang kaso na dinesisyonan ng ating korte, ito yung Rogelio Garalde Mendaros versus Lazada E-Services Incorporated. Sinabi ng Korte Suprema na yung control test ang determining factor para i-determine yung status ng empleyado, whether regular or contractual na empleyado. So, to review yung fourfold test are factors na nagsasabing yung selection and employment and engagement of the employee depends on the employer. So, ang nagdidetermine kung ma-hire o hindi ma-hire at ang isang empleyado ay yung employer. At yung satisfaction on the performance of the employee is determined also by the employer at yung control test kung paano gawin ng employee yung kanyang trabaho ay determined by the employer. So, under these circumstances, pag yung fitness instructor ay binigyan ng 8 to 5 schedule, hindi pwedeng umalis doon sa kanyang gym or sa kanyang workplace, o kaya ay sinasabihan siya kung ilang oras per student or ilang oras per grupo ang dapat niyang turuan, etc. So, ang nagdidikta ng kanyang schedule at kanyang work performance ay yung employer, therefore siya ay regular employee. Doon naman sa delivery riders, meron na tayong na-discuss noon na ang delivery riders are regular employees because ang nagdidetermine ng kanilang rota, nagdidetermine ng kanilang presyo, nagdidetermine ng oras nila ay yung employer.